How to get your Twitter account verified. So hi guys, the first thing that we're going to do is to simply open our browser, go to twitter.com and sign in to your Twitter accounts. Once done, you will be routed to your homepage basically. Now, before, Twitter verified is only available for celebrities or people with a huge following basically. But now you can actually avail on this blue verified icon. And how do we do that? Basically, in your left hand panel, here in your homepage, you will see Twitter Blue. Now click on that one, and basically afterwards, you will see this pop out show up. So here we can see there are two available plans. That's the annual plan and the monthly plan. So just pick from which two you would like to have. So for example, we're going to choose the annual plan, hit on subscribe afterwards. So basically my Twitter account is not yet eligible for Twitter Blue since I just started with Twitter. And in order for you to make use of this verified blue icon, you need to have your Twitter account for a month or so already. Now let's learn more about this blue check mark and what we can get from having a verified account. All right. So here are the features of your verified account. So basically you can edit your tweet, which we cannot do in the usual or normal Twitter account. Next is you can bookmark folders. You could also customize your app icons, NFT profile pictures, and here for themes, custom navigation, space tabs, and the likes. One thing that's good as well is that you can undo your tweet, which we cannot do in the normal Twitter account as well. So it's not an edit button, but it's a chance to preview and revise your tweet before it's posted for the world to see. Now, you could also prioritize rankings in conversations as well. So one good thing also is that you can upload longer videos. There are also half ads, and you could have longer tweets. So basically, with a typical Twitter account that we only have 280 characters max. But for this one, you can tweet up to 4,000 characters. And lastly, there is an SMS two-factor authenticator. So that's what you can get from getting the blue check mark. So that's about it for today's video, guys. Hope you find this video helpful and hope you guys enjoyed.